Hey guys. So I just did the foundation video and I figured I might as well do the get ready with me. So all I have done now is my brows. I fixed them. Yay! You can't tell I waxed half of them off today. This one, I was in for myself on that one. Fall out. No more. Okay. Preston, come on baby. So I'm just going to do my shadow. I'm going to do a real simple look today with a nude lip. I'm going to use the Lottie Dream On palette. This is my favorite. Beautiful. You can see the light in the light. Oh, it's my favorite palette that we have. Lottie's makeup artist. She collaborated with Limelight and they created this beauty. This is gold right here. I'm in love with it. So I'm just gonna, like I said, I'm gonna keep it subtle today. I'm not doing anything, so I'm not gonna go crazy. Actually, not that color, sorry. Alright, I'm gonna go in with this first one. And these right there. Oh, I also have my concealer on. Brandon! My son is not having it right now. His dad works nights, so he sleeps during the day. Luckily, I got the day off work. So I took him. But, okay. Let me give him his pacifier. Mama. He's nap time. Okay, so this little blender guy, I'm gonna go in with this sand color. I don't exactly know what it's called. I should have checked that out. My bad. I'm just gonna do my crease. Just give it a little definition and darken it up. Blend that into there. Just like that. It opens my eyes, gives me some definition. And it's real subtle for the day, so it's real rainy here. I ain't trying to get all crazy. I'm just Christmas crafting tonight, so I'm gonna make everybody's presents. Yeah. Might indulge in some wine. Okay. And I have my concealer baking. I had never heard of this. I was actually on Snapchat and Cosmopolitan said, why baking your makeup is a good idea. And I thought, baking it in the stove. No, this is baking, apparently. You're letting your concealer kind of seep in. I'm not sure how that works with Limelight because our foundation is wax-based. So if, how's it work? I don't know. But I started doing it, so I'm gonna keep doing it. Okay, and then I can't stay away from this color. Oh yeah? Can't stay away from this red color. I blend that in like just a little right there, and it just kind of gives you a little bit more. So that, my friends, is a simple, let me get the simple eye look for the day. And I don't even need to blend that up. What I'll do is, I'll actually do that right now. I'll go in with my number 2 concealer. Up against my brow bone. So we'll lighten that up a little bit, and then I'll go in again I'll go in again with that shimmery color that I have on my lid, and just give it a little highlight up there. Simple eyes in 5 minutes. Thanks.